Hey, George the Tech here. Well, TwistedWave is one of those amazingly simple programs, but there are certain concepts that may be foreign to you. So I wanted to give you a quick tip here on how you actually make use of the TwistedWave stacks. We have content on how to import them. It's very straightforward, but all you have to do is find a stack file that's been provided to you and simply double click on the stack file. If the effects stack is not loaded, it will prompt you to do so, and you can click OK and proceed, and it will be installed. Now, to use the effects stack, you can do it a couple different ways. Let's open a file up here. Okay, so to make the best use of the effects stack, you have to first normalize the audio file. Click Normalize. And then what you're going to normalize it for this type of processing stack is -3 dB peak value. You don't need to have markers separated or independently. Click Apply. Once you've done that, now you can open the effects stack. It will be in your effects stack menu. You'll probably have a few less than I do. I'll just open up one. Here's an example in effects stack. Now, if you click Apply and Close, it will apply all of the processes that are in your stack, which you'll see listed here, sequentially from top to bottom, and then print the changes to this WAV file or MP3. And then when you save that file, those changes are saved to it. But you may also preview the audio before you apply the stack. And some clever people will even leave the effects stack window preview window open on their screen just to allow this to occur, so when they play back the audio, they're hearing it with the effects that are in the stack applied to the audio before rendering, some would say, or applying it permanently to the audio. So if I play it back with the effects open, you will hear it with these processing tools installed. If you bypass by checking bypass, then the processing will be disabled. If you click Apply, the file will get processed like this, and then this window will switch to bypass automatically. So if you do hit play, you won't be hearing the audio processed and processed again, which would be really bad. Automatically bypasses. You don't have to actually process the audio. You don't actually have to listen to the audio if you don't need to. You can just simply click Apply and Close, and that will permanently apply the file processing. That's it. These are the different ways to use an effects stack. If you want to make a copy, you can do that anytime. Just go to Effects, Effects Stack. Any effects stack that you have open, you can go to the Stacks menu within the effects stack window, save, and just give it a new name so you don't overwrite the file that was provided to you. And now it's saved in the system. If you ever need to get that file off the system to another computer, go to where it says Reveal in Finder, and that will open the Finder window location where all the stack files are saved. And from here, you can copy all the files to another drive, zip them and send them, upload them to the cloud, whatever works for you. And then on the new computer, you can do it in two ways. You can do the same double-click stack to install process, or you can just copy the contents of the stack folder onto the new computer's stack folder, and all your stacks will be transferred in one fell swoop. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and if you want to learn a lot more about TwistedWave, definitely make sure you go over to our website at georgethe.tech, check out our webinars and modules area, and we've got a whole section of topics over here, Twisted Waves at the bottom, and every video related to Twisted Waves is right here for your learning. All right, thanks again for listening. This is George the Tech.
George the Tech.